Hello, hello. Welcome back to Sisa Fitness. My name is Ashley. We got Fatima and we also got Karen. All right, so today we're focusing on girl power. We're going to be focusing on the ladies for this segment, all right? So let me show you a few moves. Pretty simple, all right. Forward, back, and lateral, and lateral. Yep, and then we're going to do it on both sides. The next one is going to be a squat. 3, 2, 1, and go. Squat and hands back. Squat and hands back, all right? Last two moves, all right, is sway. Sway, sway, and kick forward. Kick forward, kick forward. All right, that's it. Let's do it. Come on, let's go. Sisa's in the house. Sisa's in the house. Hey, hey. Going. Lateral. Other side. Lateral. Gonna keep going. Good. Good. All right, hit that squat. Down. Yes. Come on. Making all those racks. All right, next one is hips and kick forward. Hips to the right. Let's go. Now. Go. Go. Kick. Kick. Hips. 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 Kick. Kick. Hips. Yes, you're a grown woman. All right, leg. Leg. Lateral. Focus on the belly. Suck that stomach. Yes. We're gonna jump to the hips. Hips. Forward. Hips. Forward. Hips. Forward. Yes. Leg. Good. Yes. Hips. Forward. Hips. Leg again. You're a grown woman. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. All right, squat. Down. Yes. You can get whatever you want. Work hard towards it. Come on. Hips. 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 Kick forward. Hips. Kick forward. Come on. Yes. Good. All right, squat. Squat. Down. Good. Nice. Keep going. All right, this next move, we're gonna look back at it, okay? Right, left. I'll let you know. And go, back. Yes. Come on. Bring it low. Bring it up. Bring it low. Bring it up. You can do whatever you want. Stay here. Yes. Put a little attitude into it. Come on. Come on. Fatima, you're a grown woman. Let's go. Hey. Karen, let's go. Hey. Hey, let's bring it low. Bring it up. You're a grown woman. Let's do it. Hey. Hey. Bring it low, and keep it there. Hey. All right. Do whatever you want. Come on, ladies, you got this. Hello, hello. All right, next song. We're gonna be feeling real good. All right, so we're gonna use our right hand and wave, wave, wave. Very violently, but you gotta control it, okay? Next move, okay? So we're gonna lift our knees and hands under our knees, all right? High knees, hands down. That's what I'm gonna say. 3, 2, 1, let's go. High knees, hands under the high knees, like that, okay? The next move, we're gonna squat and twist both of our legs. 3, 2, 1, let's twist, 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 okay? And then, all right, we're gonna keep it going. Yes, hey, come on, wave, yes, all right, high knees, under your hands, good, yes, all right, squat, squat, twist, good, good, squat, twist, hold it, yes, hold it, hold it, high knees, good, good, nice, all right, we're gonna stay right here, wave,
need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath, time to focus on you. All the big fights, long nights that you've been through. I got
high knees, hands under.
I've been saving for you. Boss up and change your life.
Boss up, change your life. 2021.
I know we did you wrong.
Yes.
Make it right. So go and let it all hang.
All right, we're gonna squat. Bounce, bounce, twist, twist. Bounce, bounce, twist, twist. Bounce, bounce, twist, twist. Bounce, bounce, twist, twist. Let's wave. All right. All right, hands up. Hands up. Good. Good. How you feeling? I hope you feel good. Hey. Nice. Keep going. Hey. The next one is gonna be the squat and twist. Let's go. Bounce, bounce. Yes. Walk yourself out that door. Hands up. Let's go. Hope you're feeling real good. Hey. Hey. And be fun with it, you know? Let's go. Hey. That's it. And that's way. Let's hope you feel real good. Hey. All right. This is a commercial break. So jog in place, get some water, and let's go.
Zumba. Gale, panu, gale. Bom, bom, ya cagó. Gale, panu, gale. Si me se gale, panu, gale. Si me la gale, panu, gale.
All right, guys, we're back from the commercial break. Hopefully you were jogging in place. So here are the moves for the next one. So this song is all about power. So we're gonna have those arms up and we're just gonna go side to side, okay? And it's gonna say, I feel a way. You're gonna move the arms up and then down. And then the whole verse, 4 arms back and 4 arms like this, okay? And there's a part we're gonna go like this. And that's all, here it goes. Keep going. Hold that stomach in. Arms up. And down. Power. Arms. Can't take our power. Arms up. And down. 4 arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3. Arms back.
Range from a queen so strong, thought she was
Again, up.
Girl of your dreams, Sinclair regime. Turn to the max.
Keep going.
Refer to me as a goddess.
Keep breathing.
Being modest, 100 degrees the hottest. If we're being honest, ebony anybody's. Black people win, they say we being demonic.
Guys are doing great.
In disguise, I hate I have to disguise it. Why you gotta despise it? Rich in the mind, that's why I'm making deposits. Carry all the power, it's time to realize it.
Power.
Don't know, good take my power. My power.
Keep those arms strong.
Don't know, good take my power. My power. My power.
Arms up
They feel away.
and down.
They feel away. Oh wow.
Power.
Don't know, good take my power. My power. My power. Don't know, good take my power. My power. My power.
Arms up.
They feel away. Oh wow. They feel away. Oh wow.
Arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This ain't no
Up.
burn. This that nappy. This that
Again.
nerve. This that kinfolk. This that skinfolk. This that war.
Up.
This that bloodline. On the front line. Ready for
Cross
war.
here.
Where you
1, 2, 3, up.
Get low. Get low.
Keep going.
Get loose. Get loose.
Oh,
Get low. Get low.
doing great.
Oh, gotta protect my grace. Keep it locked in the safe. Don't make me get back to my ways. My
Power.
never take.
Don't know, good
Power.
take my power.
Don't let people take your power.
My power. My power. My power. Don't know, good take my power.
Guys are doing great. Sit-Top Fitness. Arms up.
Feel away. Oh wow. They feel away. Oh wow.
Power.
Don't know, good take my power. My power. My power. Don't know, good take my power. My power. My power.
Arms up.
They feel away. Oh wow. They feel away. Oh wow.
Arms back. Leg up. Again. Keep going.
Check you later. I roll with the danger.
Almost there.
Ninja, me nanji, ninja. Boom boom, check you later. I roll with the danger. And your yiki, ninja, me nanji, ninja.
Great job. Hi guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed the songs that we just did. So now for this one, we're gonna do some fast feet. And then we're gonna kick with the right, with the left. And then we'll switch sides. And then we're also gonna do some calf raises, and that's it. So let's get started. Here we go. Fast feet. Squeeze. Calf raises. Raise them. Raise them. Doing great. Calf. All right, we're gonna kick with the right. Kick and out. Kick and out. Keep going. Let it burn. Woo! Yes. Yes. Keep going. Kick. Out. Kick. Fast feet. Doing great. Keep going. Keep breathing. Raise those calves. Yes. Fast feet. All right. Left leg kick forward. Kick and out. Kick and out. Great. Yes. Hold that stomach in. Keep breathing. Doing great. Yes. Doing great, ladies. Yes. Fast feet. Yes. As fast as you can go. Calf raises. Raise it. Keep breathing. Fast feet. Right leg. Kick. Out. Kick. We're switching here. Left leg. Kick. Woo! Doing great. Squeeze each time. Fast feet. Keep going. Woo! Feel the burn. Calf raises. Up.
Crazy curvy wavy beat. Little waist body, crazy curvy wavy beat.
Fast feet.
Waist body, yada 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 yada.
Calf raises. Up. Woo. Keep going. All right, great job, guys.
All right, guys, I hope you guys are ready for the last two songs. So let me show you guys the moves. So it's gonna be fast punch. Remember to keep your belly tight and protect yourself. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna be repeating. Then it's gonna be slide to the left, slide to the right, and hold it in the middle. Let's go, ladies. Slide, slide, hold it, and hold it here. So that's pretty much it. There's gonna be a part 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's 1 in men you're gonna be doing. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 2 times. Let you know I got you, you got me, and they got you. DJ, music. Woo! I hope you guys are ready.
Yo, this party is flops.
I hope you guys get ready.
More time? The music's too low. I'll make him turn it up.
Now,
Mr. DJ, somebody replay.
Back.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls when they dance, don't want some more.
body tight.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up?
Again.
Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls when they dance, don't want some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2.
Hold it.
Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we
Hold.
do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, wind it back.
1,
Come,
1,
run,
1.
run, everybody move, run.
Hey.
You move, and rock it to the groove. Done. Shake it
Left,
till the moon becomes the
right,
sun. Everybody
hold,
in the club, give me a
hold,
run.
hold it low.
You ready to move, say yeah. 1 time for your mind, say yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for it.
All right, ladies, defense.
You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come, Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? The girl when they dance, don't want some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? The girl when they dance, don't want some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up?
Slide.
Mr. Please,
Hold.
Mr. DJ, tell me if it
Hold.
turn the music up. Hey,
Slide.
hey, mister, please, Mr.
Hey.
DJ,
Hey. Hold it.
if you may, turn the music up.
All right. Punch, 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 punch back.
In the club when we rockin' when I'm through.
Defense.
From the speakers, run through your sneakers, move both your feet and run to the
Where my leg
run,
at?
run, 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 everybody
Keep going.
run. Let me see you move, rock it to the groove, shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run.
Keep going.
Ready to move, say yeah.
Back.
Time for your mind, say yeah, yeah.
Last one.
I'm ready for it. Come, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move.
Let's slide.
Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up?
I can't lose. I'm still working out.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the
Go tonight, ladies.
Come, Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls when they dance, don't want some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Hey, Mr. DJ,
Burning.
tell me if
You guys feel it?
turn the music up.
Slide.
Hey, Mr.
Hold.
DJ, tell me if you hear me. Turn the music up.
Punch.
Right now.
Hey.
Everybody get down.
Back.
If you feel me, put your hands up to the ceiling.
Punch.
Everybody get down. If you feel me, come and put your hands up to the ceiling.
Punch.
Everybody get down. If you feel me, put your hands up to the
Defense.
ceiling. Everybody get down. If you feel me, come and put your hands up to
Again.
Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, somebody
Let me see you, Ashley.
Turn.
Hey. Again, ladies. Woo. Girls power, baby. All right, ladies. I hope you show your strength. We still do strength move. You see the power in your arms. So we're gonna hit up, kick down. And remember to twist, okay? And keep your body tight. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Go to the right. We're claiming our territory. Hey, left. We're watching. Turn to the left. Kick. 1, 2, hey. Yes. Keep your belly tight. Yes, sis. Now. Kick. Right hand. Kick. Right hand. Punch. 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 Right hand. Punch. Again. Cheerleader. I'm better than that. Cancer survivor. COVID survivor. Ladies, survivor. Still here. Okay. I'm better than that. Alright. What? Survivors. Hey. Punch. Right hand. Right hand. Hey. Keep your belly tight. Hey. Support each other, my sister. Fix all the problems. All right. Baby. 2021, y'all stronger. Remember, we won. Let's go, ladies. Hey! Punch! Keep going. Last time.
I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it.
Hey!
I will survive. Keep on surviving.
Survivor, baby. Alright guys, what just happened? We survived the workout, so now it's time to cool down. So let's start with our legs.
Never trade you for anybody else in brown skin.
Turn inside for 4 and okay?
The best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else singing.
So we move to the next one. Inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 is for the ankles, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's squat for 1. Remember to breathe. Second. Alright, you can hold to something. Focus. We're gonna that one. So the right one. Have a focus, please. Keep your belly tight. Nice. Thank you for sticking with Sissa Fitness. We love you guys. My ladies, my sisters, we love you. Next one. Be tight. Guys, we love you too. Don't be jealous. It's just a sister thing going on today. Keep your belly tight. Nice. Let's squat for 2.
Trophy when Naomi's walking.
And green.
And ask her for that pretty dark skin.
Second one.
Like Lupita when the camera's closing. Drip broke the levy when my Kelly's
Pass.
rolling. I think tonight she might pray her broken.
Alright guys, so let's sit down now.
Things out of focus view, but when you're in the room,
Put your feet together. We're gonna do some butterflies. Alright. Ready? Let's go. Nice. Alright. So put all of it in front. And then let's put all shoulders, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. 4 in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 4. Alright, nice. Turn our neck. Go 3 times to the right. To the left now. And 2. Thank you guys for sticking with Sissa Fitness. I hope you enjoyed the workout. My ladies, you are worth it. Stay strong. We are survivors. Bye. Take care.